Hello everybody. Well, it's supposed to be a Boodle fight in Camaligan, which is obviously where the floating restaurant is, but I don't know where it is. It's allegedly 7 o'clock. I'm hoping it's going to be lit up. It's somewhere, you know, very well lit, otherwise this thing's not going to pick anything up. Seeing the foreground there, the floating restaurant, see how beautiful it is. I'm going to ask Ate if she knows where the Boodle fight is and what time. Oh, I wished I was on that floating restaurant. They've got some kind of barbecue going over there. You can smell it. Other side of the restaurant. Ate, do you know where the Boodle fight is?
What?
Boodle fight?
Boodle fight.
It's supposed to be along here. 7 o'clock, I've been told. And Fiesta tomorrow. Do you know what time?
Yeah.
It's over there.
Fiesta there. Oh.
Over that side. Okay,
Yeah.
thank you. I'm no further forward. Now you would think, obviously she's trying to sell food, so she doesn't want people to go away and buy food elsewhere, but you would have thought she'd know. So it must be where my friend lives, along here. So I'm going to drive along there just to give a comment on the last video. I was in no way suggesting that anybody that had quite serious health issues should come to the Philippines or any other Asian country for that matter. I was, you know, talking about somebody that maybe have, I don't know, diabetes or something like that. Stage 2 diabetes and just takes tablets. And again, talking to Mel afterwards, because I was pretty shocked that she wanted to be a caregiver. All she's thinking of the caregiver bit is basically housework, shopping, form filling, medication buying, anything that has to do with visa or MBI clearance or anything like that. She can do all that. Basically look after you, be a guide if you want to be shown around, you know, arrange transport if you're not so great on your pegs, whatever. So that's basically it. So I'm going to get on the motorbike. It's a Saturday evening and Mel's at home with the kids because we couldn't get them looked after today, because she would have liked to have come. So it's a shame, but there you go. And I'm on a fasting today, guys. I've not had anything to eat whatsoever, just water today. And tomorrow I'll be back on me juicing with a vengeance. So in the next few days the weight will have dropped off me. Now me juicing, just to remind everybody, before I get loads of people saying, oh, you're going to make yourself ill. No, I'm not. You can have a day out of your eating habits without being poorly, and it gives your liver and your kidneys and everything a rest. I'll only be on me juicing 3 days before I start eating proper food as well as me juicing. So I just wanted to put that in to save a load of messages. So that's it until I find out where this Boodle fight is. I hope it's not going to be 7 o'clock and in an unlit place, but we'll see. Well, I don't know about Boodle fight, but there's something going off. As you can see, I hope I don't get demonetized for this. So if I upload this, then it disappears. You know, I've had to delete it and then put some more music on it, whatever. Well, you see, there's people selling food here, so I can't see there being free food. But we'll see. Because that's a stage, so there's going to be some singing and something going off. So I'll see if Grace is at home. So you've seen this part before the other day. And I bet you any money, because I want Grace, she's not here. And any other time we'd see her every day. Hey, Dougie. There's tables out and what have you. See? Is Grace here? Grace?
Grace, no more.
No more? She's not here?
Going to the Rosario.
All right. Is there supposed to be? Is there supposed to be a Boodle fight tonight?
Yes.
Yeah.
Now. Yes.
Now. All right. Because I've come to take video. I just wanted to make sure. And tomorrow, where's the fiesta tomorrow?
Tomorrow.
Yeah. Where?
What we've got here is failure to communicate.
Fiesta here tomorrow. Is it other side of the river? Yeah. Okay. Do you know what time it starts? What time? Time?
O'clock.
5 o'clock in the evening. Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Right, now this is very interesting. Now I've been asking a few people and they've told me they know nothing about Fiesta across the river tomorrow. But tomorrow there's singing and things still going off here. So I'll be back tomorrow, I guess, and see if there's anything different. So I just thought I'd do a few minutes more video here because it doesn't look like there's going to be anything going excuse me, going off. And I think this is interesting. It reminds me, not the place, but like the atmosphere with the sun and the warmth when I was a kid. You know, when sunsets and stuff where I used to live in this little village were beautiful. And this road's going to be blocked off until late tomorrow evening, and then on Monday morning it'll be took down because it's Saturday today. It'll be took down. Now this is where I want to buy some land and build my business. I don't know what's down here, but it looks quite interesting. Look, another Sari store. This is a different street. All the traffic's diverting around here, so I'm assuming it just links up with that road I've just been on. Some quite big houses here. Some little bungalows. Some nice cars in them as well. Makes you wonder, all these what looks to be quite new 4x4s and what have you, and it doesn't look like people has a lot of money around here, but some obviously have. Alright, I see, yeah, links up with the other road. Something else I know now. So if we go straight on here, the other day I come to have a look at some land on the right hand side. It was about 2,000 square meters, something like that. And they wanted, I think it was 2 million for 2,000 square meters. So that's the road where the party's on, which is why you can see tables. I don't think it's even going to be quiet enough, even if it's light enough, to talk to you. But if it's only going to be singers, guys, not really going to be a very good... Oh, here we go. Boodle fight. Oh, but it's not light enough. It's not going to be light enough. Damn. So there's some very small tables. I'm guessing they're going to be fighting for the food. Well, not guessing, they are. They're going to be literally fighting. Can you imagine? They're going to be eating with their hands. There's going to be food dropping, then there's going to be somebody else picking it up. I mean, I would normally pass on the Boodle fight, and unlike the last one I went to, I chose carefully what I was doing. In fact, I actually got in most of it before anybody else did. And that was it, Brad's Boodle fight. Hi Brad, hope you're okay, mate. So Brad's back in the US. He's hoping to come to have a look at his apartments, I think before the end of this year. Yeah, you can still see. Yeah, it's all around the street, look. I'll hang around and see if the lights light up the road enough so you can see, but I very much doubt it. There's nothing around here other than people hanging about, waiting for it all to start. The atmosphere is amazing here though. I mean, it's amazing. You know, I keep getting asked what's so good about Naga. It's not just Naga. It's all around the outskirts of Naga, and then every road leads out to somewhere like fields and mountains and, you know, palm trees and coconut trees and banana trees and rice fields. It's just amazing here, guys. You know, I've been so lucky. I've picked a great place to settle down. You know, my wife, my kids, my family. I tell you, that's why it breaks my heart when I get messages of guys that's come over here, lost a fortune or lost everything in some cases. And I feel so lucky. But I guess I'm lucky in a way I didn't have a lot of money, because if I'd have had a lot of money, I'd have probably lost a lot of money, because knowing me, you know, every time I see something that's heartbreaking, then I want to help. Mel's the same though. Mel, I think that's why Mel loves me so much, because she knows I've got a big heart. I know it sounds like I'm beating my own drum, but you know, that's what I like, and that's what I like about Mel as well. So if you ever did come here and wanted somebody to, you know, look after you, Mel couldn't be a worse pick, I tell you. Sorry, a better pick. A worse pick? A better pick. So it's lit up pretty well. I'm quite impressed with how this GoPro is at the minute, and I seem to have managed to sort the audio out. Doesn't seem to be crackling now. And there's something going on in the local barangay chapel, so I guess there'll be some kind of service here before they start. I hope it's light enough so you can see. I'll wait around a little bit longer and see if it's light enough, guys. But just in case it's not, please subscribe, please hit that like button, and please share our videos. Very important, guys. And can you just check that you are subscribed and hit the notification bell at the side of the subscription button. So till the next video, guys, bye.
Lions roaring in the morning sun, searching for a longer day. People feeling like the light has just come. We must never stop the way. Birds chirping and I hear my name, grasping into a life. Life is happy but it's so insane. We must merely make a start.